Okay, Paul's soup was a little too hot, and this is how he cools his soup, in case anybody's interested. You don't need to make an ice cream out of that, honey.
Oh, there we go. I wonder if this is going to be better. Don't touch that. I wonder if this will be better than putting ice cubes in. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Look at this. Hold on. Watch out. Watch out. Blow it. Blow it.
Can I try?
Wow, that's so cool.
Can I try?
The bowl's still hot.
Can I?
Wow, that is awesome. Look, it's still there. I see little bits of ice. And wow.
I see a little bit of ice.
Well, it will stop
look.
smoking, right?
Yeah. All right. Perfect.
Can I try? Can I try? Can I try?
Good.
Can I try? Can I try? Can I try?
Not for kids.
Why? What do you mean?
Perfect.